Alright, just a quick video tutorial, hopefully more clear than the first one, about how to assign multiple vertex group, okay, and assign multiple material in order to have a mesh that is going to render multi-material with SiO2. So I'm going to take that cube, I'm going to scale it a bit, I push tab to enter edit mode, and I'm going to click on subdivide, okay. I'm going to select triangles. Here what I'm going to do is I'm going to push B and I'm going to select whatever is there. Then I will go inside vertex group over here, new, and let's call it blue. I'm going to push Control and I to invert the selection. I'm going to create a new vertex group and I'm going to call it red, and I'm going to assign all the vertices, deselect, select to make sure what I'm doing. Control I, invert the selection, go back in, select blue, assign, deselect, select to make sure that everything is assigned properly. Then here, this is the key, okay? I'm going to select everything in blue and I'm going to go pick up the color blue. Now you can see that all the mesh is assigned to blue, which is fine. I'm going to click assign to make sure that these vertices are assigned with that material. Then I create a new material, and this one I will put it red. I go unselect everything that was in blue, I go in red, select everything, and then click the assign button while my second material is selected. Now I'm going to export. Okay, for this tutorial I just take tutorial 3 and I just change the default SiO2 file that would be loaded. Okay, before that I'm going to go in object mode, select everything, and I'm going to click on OP, okay, to remove double and convert quads to triangle. I'm going to dump that on my desktop, and I'm going to have vertex everything that is indexed. Export, okay, go back to Xcode, push play, and as you can see I got red and I got blue, two materials. Now I'm going to push it a little bit more far. I'm going to go in model, I'm going to split my view here, and I'm going to go on UV, and now I'm going to assign different texture, okay. So same concept with the material, but this time I'm going to assign some texture to it. So I'm on my material 2. I will go search a texture somewhere on my machine. Let's go here and texture. I'm going to select that one. Okay. Enter in edit mode. Now this is selected. Push 7 to go on the top. Unwrap, and let's say cube projection. And I'm going to go search my axis. I don't know why, but it should be selected. Exactly. Okay, nice. Now I'm going to go here. I'm going to go search my first material, and I'm going to go on texture, and here I'm going to make this one single user. Okay, so I'm going to have like two texture, one for this material, one for that material. And this time I will go search another one, let's say stone. Okay, I'm going to go here in the viewport, Control I to invert the selection, same as I just cube projection, and I'm going to go select my stone wall. Okay, so as we can see in object mode, I got pieces that are using axis and pieces that is using stone material. Go back in scripting, select everything, make sure that update is toggled, export, and I'm going to run it again. Here you go. So you can see that the red part have the axis JPEG texture, and you can see that the blue part have the stone wall texture. That's really all there is to it.